Hello everyone, this is Ryan Beardsley with Beardsley Auction Service LLC located in Lowell, Ohio. We have this Woods Model 750 backhoe attachment for a compact tractor coming up in online auction. It's going to be sometime in April 2025. You can like our Facebook page, Beardsley Auction Service, for all the auction updates. The tractor will be sold separately. The backhoe attachment with the framework and everything for it, for the undercarriage, will be sold as lot number 101. So lot number 101 will be this piece here. Nice clean unit. This tractor has been stored inside ever since the hoe was put on. So again, a good clean unit. We are going to fire it up for you here in just a second and let you see it work. Excellent bucket, the whole nine. So I'm gonna pass this over here to Scott and I'll make it work. So again, this Woods 750 backhoe attachment sells in April 2025 at beardsleauctions.com. That is BEARDSLEY, auctions with an S.com. All the framework to attach to your compact tractors right here with it. Again, currently it's on a Ford Model 1720 compact tractor. However, it'll fit several compact tractors, so you'll get your opportunity to buy the tractor before the hoe sells, and the hoe will be item number 101. Thanks for watching the video, and good luck at the auction.